Naval Station, Roosevelt Roads. Let's go explore, folks. Join me. Hi there, folks. Well, this is the best way to explore Rosie Roads. It's on a bicycle. These days, they have closed many gates around the roads where we used to have access at all times. No one explains the reasons why they've closed so many gates, but that's the way it is right now. So the best way to explore it is on a bicycle. The road I am right now is called Boxer Drive. Leads to the new airport. What used to be the Navy airport. It's now used for flights to Vieques and Culebras Island. So this is the road that leads there, and used to be able to lead to Bundy, but they closed the gate on that road, so we no longer have access to Bundy through this road. Let's see if we can see that on the road ahead. Well, to my surprise today, these gates are open. Usually it's not the case. So now we have access through Boxer Drive towards Bundy. Bundy I will explore in another video. For now, I just want to show you what's left of Rosie Roads in many other places. On the top of that ridge line, we can see the Naval Station radio station. It was located in that mountain. On this side, we can see the Airforce building. Atlantic Fleet Weapons Training Facilities, now being used some sort of project, which we will see in another video. You can see there, water treatment plant. Water treatment plant is still being maintained and operated. Not in the best conditions. As you can see, the Navy was here, this building would have been pristine, well taken care of. Believe it or not, but behind all these bushes lies a bus stop. Pretty interesting. It's all abandoned. Nature has taken over. It's still an amazing base. That's the road that leads to a radio station. It's a fairly good hill. I've climbed up there. This building right there has been restored. It's now being used as a school. Specialized school where students stay over during the week, only leave during the weekend. So at least something else that has been restored. Well kept, well maintained, nicely painted. The famous Mini Mart fuel station. Not much left here. Navy Federal Credit Union. If you worked on this base and did not open an account in that bank, you missed out. It's one of the best banks ever. Here goes the chapel. The side of the bowling alley. Caribbean lanes. This is what's left, folks. Navy Exchange, or what's left of it. Such a pity. Don't stop shopping department store. This is what left. The vegetation inside the building. I believe this side used to be a furniture store. Side there, the McDonald's. You can see the rooftop. As you can see, commissary. All the folks living in this base used to make their food purchases. Waited many times in this parking lot for friends to come out, since access was strictly for military personnel or dependents. It's closed down. It's locked down pretty tight.